100, and difference is 400, and so CGST and SGST. Therefore, CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST, and that is equal to half of 400, which is equal to each rupees 200. So this is like CGST and SGST paid by Akbari brothers. Okay, and these are the two transactions. Now from Mayank Food Corner, so they are the consumers. They are consuming the chocolate sauce, and that we don't have to do because there is no further transaction given here. So there are two transactions here. Amir Enterprise sold goods to Akbari Brothers, and Akbari Brothers sold goods to the Mayank Food Corners, and that is why for Amir Enterprise and for Akbari Brothers we have to calculate GST payable we have found, and CGST, SGST also we have found. So these are very simple sum and even interesting sum. If you like tax system and all, okay, these are all interesting sums. Okay, now we are doing the fourth sum. So students, this is the fourth question of practice set 4.2 I have written. I have written in short. Malik Gas Agency, it is in Chandigarh Union Territory. Okay, for example, purchased some gas cylinders for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and sold them to local customers for rupees 26,500. Okay, purchased in 24,500 and sold to customers in 26,500. Find the GST to be paid at 5%. Okay, and hence find the CGST and UTGST, Union Territory Goods and Service Tax. UTGST is for Union Territories. Okay, here it is not, Chandigarh is not a state, it is the Union Territory. So CGST will definitely go to Government of India, central government, and this will be to the Union Territory of Chandigarh. Okay, Government of Union Territory of Chandigarh. Okay, so now what we will write in the solution? What we will write in the solution? In the solution we will write that input tax, that is tax paid by, okay, GST paid at the time of purchase, at the time of purchase. Okay, it is 5% because it is Union Territory, so rebate is given in the tax. 5% of the goods. See, this is not the GST, this is the cost of the goods. So, and this is the taxable value, remember this, 24,500. So 5% of 24,500, how to find? 5 upon 100 multiplied by 24,500. We cut this to 0 with 20 of 100, and when we multiply 5 with 245, we get the product. 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20, and 2 22, and 5 2s are 10, and 1 2 12. So rupees 1,225 is the input tax or ITC. Okay, this is already paid by Malik Gas Agency to the government. Okay, so that is why it is the tax credit ITC. ITC for Malik Gas Agency is rupees 1,225. Now output tax we will find. Output tax, the definition of output tax. It is the tax GST collected, not paid, but it is the GST collected, right, at the time of sale. At the time of sale. So we will find out. It is again 5%, but now the cost of the goods was changed, 26,500 from the customer. So 5 upon 100 multiplied by 26,500. Cut these two zeros with two zeros and multiply this. So it is 5 5s are 25, 2 carry 6 5s are 30, and 2 32, 3 carry 5 2s are 10, and 3 13. 1,325 rupees. This is the output tax. Okay, this is result number 1 and this is result number 2. Okay, otherwise we can give this step as result number 1. This is result number 1. Okay, and therefore GST payable by Malik Gas Agency, MGA I am writing, equal to output tax. You know the formula, output tax minus ITC. Now output tax is this tax collected from the customer 1,325, and input tax credit already they have paid rupees 1,225 to the government. So the difference between them, 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, then 3 minus 2 is 1. So 100 rupees will be the GST payable. and therefore CGST is equal to UTGST. UTGST is equal to half of GST, half multiplied by GST, which is equal to half of rupees 100. Half of rupees 100 is rupees 50 each. So central like government's GST is 50 rupees and union territory GST is also rupees 50. So this is very simply like we have to understand the concept of input tax and output tax okay in this entire exercise. So the chapter is very simple and interesting also. Now we are doing the sum number fifth. I think so we will not be able to do because this video is already getting over. Okay, it will not be like possible for me to continue this. I hope you will start doing sum number 5, 6 and 7 okay by yourself okay based on the same concept and similar sum from the problem set of this chapter. So in the next lecture like live lecture I will be trying to explain you this, but this is very simple chapter okay, and 4 sums I have already solved. Based on this you try to solve, understand the concept of input tax credit, output tax, and then how to find GST, CGST, SGST, as well as sometimes union territory is GST, you can know it. Okay, so I am completing the lecture today. I hope you would have understood everything. Okay, have a nice time. Good day. Goodbye. Take care.